Unlock the secrets: natural face masks for skin detox and purification. Title: Unlock the secrets: natural face masks for skin detox and purification. Introduction. In our fast-paced and polluted world, our skin is often exposed to various environmental toxins and stressors, which can lead to dullness, acne, and other skin issues. Therefore, it is essential to incorporate a skincare routine that includes regular detoxification and purification of the skin. Natural face masks offer a gentle and effective way to rejuvenate and restore the skin's vitality. In this article, we will explore the secrets of natural face masks and their benefits for skin detoxification and purification. 1. Understanding the importance of skin detox and purification. Before delving into natural face masks, it is vital to understand why detoxification and purification are crucial for our skin. Our skin acts as a shield against harmful external elements, and over time, it can become burdened with impurities, toxins, and excess sebum. Regular detoxification helps remove these unwanted substances, allowing the skin to breathe and function optimally. Purification, on the other hand, focuses on eliminating bacteria, reducing pore size, and promoting a clearer complexion. 2. Benefits of natural face masks. Natural face masks offer numerous benefits for skin detoxification and purification. Unlike chemical-laden products, they are gentle on the skin while providing effective results. Let's explore some. Key advantages of incorporating natural face masks into your skincare routine. A. Nourishment. Natural face masks are often infused with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, providing essential nourishment to the skin. These ingredients promote skin health, restore its natural glow, and combat free radicals. B. Deep cleansing. Natural face masks penetrate deeper into the skin, drawing out impurities and unclogging pores. This deep cleansing action helps eliminate excess oil, dirt, and toxins, promoting a clearer complexion and preventing breakouts. C. Exfoliation. Many natural face masks contain mild exfoliating ingredients such as clay, oats, or fruit enzymes. Exfoliation removes dead skin cells, allowing fresh and radiant skin to emerge. This process also stimulates blood circulation and promotes the absorption of other skincare products. D. Soothing and calming. Various natural face masks have soothing properties, thanks to ingredients such as aloe vera, cucumber, or chamomile. These masks are ideal for sensitive and irritated skin, providing relief and reducing redness. E. Hydration and moisturization. Some natural face masks are formulated with hydrating ingredients like honey, avocado, or yogurt. These masks replenish moisture levels, improve skin elasticity, and leave the skin soft, supple, and rejuvenated. A. Clay. Clay masks, such as bentonite clay or kaolin clay, have excellent absorption capabilities. They draw out impurities, tighten pores, control oil production, and provide a deep cleanse. B. Activated charcoal. Activated charcoal has gained popularity for its detoxifying abilities. It absorbs toxins, pollutants, and excess oil, making it ideal for those with oily and acne-prone skin. C. Tea tree oil. Known for its antibacterial properties, tea tree oil helps in purifying the skin. It reduces inflammation, fights acne-causing bacteria, and promotes a clear complexion. D. Turmeric. This golden spice is a powerful antioxidant with anti-inflammatory properties. It helps detoxify the skin, improve skin tone, and reduce acne and scarring. E. Green tea. Green tea is packed with antioxidants that detoxify and rejuvenate the skin. It helps fight signs of aging, reduces redness, and soothes irritated skin. 4. DIY natural face masks recipes. Creating your own natural face masks at home is not only cost-effective but also allows you to tailor the ingredients to your specific skin needs. Here are a few simple DIY face mask recipes you can try. A. Detoxifying clay mask. Ingredients: bentonite clay, apple cider vinegar, and a few drops of tea tree oil. Benefits: draws out impurities, controls excess oil, and fights acne-causing bacteria. B. Purifying charcoal mask. Ingredients: activated charcoal powder and aloe vera gel. Benefits: absorbs toxins and pollutants, calms irritated skin, and leaves the skin smooth. C. Brightening turmeric mask. Ingredients: turmeric powder, yogurt, and honey. Benefits: detoxifies the skin, promotes an even skin tone, and provides hydration. 5. Tips for using natural face masks. To maximize the benefits of natural face masks, here are some tips to keep in mind. A. Cleanse your face. Before applying a face mask, make sure to cleanse your face thoroughly to remove any dirt or makeup residue. This allows the mask to penetrate better and work more effectively. B. Patch test. If you're trying a new face mask or have sensitive skin, it's essential to do a patch test. Apply a small amount of the mask to a small area of your skin and wait for 24 hours to check for any adverse reactions. C. Follow instructions. Each natural face mask may have different application and removal instructions. Read the label carefully and follow the recommended time for leaving the mask on and removing eye. T. To avoid any skin irritation. D. Moisturize afterward. After removing a face mask, it's crucial to moisturize your skin to seal in the benefits. Choose a moisturizer that suits your skin type and apply it evenly to hydrate and no urish your skin. E. Frequency. The frequency of using natural face masks depends on your skin type and the specific mask you're using. Generally, it is recommended to use a face mask once or twice a week to avoid OV. Are exfoliating or drying out your skin. 6. Professional options. While DIY natural face masks are cost-effective and convenient, you may also consider professional options. Skincare professionals offer a wide range of natural face masks catered to different skin types and concerns. They can provide customized solutions and ensure appropriate application techniques. 7. Conclusion. 8. Fact about natural face masks. A. Are natural face masks suitable for all skin types? Natural face masks can be beneficial for all skin types, but it's essential to choose the right ingredients based on your specific skin concerns. For example, clay masks are excellent for oily skin, while hydrating masks are ideal for dry skin. B. Can I leave a natural face mask on overnight?